Find a parabola with the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c that has the slope 4 at x equals 1, has a slope -8 at x equals -1, and passes through the point 2 comma 15. So they give us these 3 clues where we should be able to at least come up with a system of equations that allow us to find out what A, B, and C are. So when they say it has a slope of 4 at x equals 1, that implies that we need to find out what the derivative is, because dy dx is rise over run. And to take the derivative of this would be 2ax plus b. That's the derivative. Now, if I input 1, it should equal 4. So I'm going to input 1 into x and set it equal to 4. 1 times 2a is 2a plus b is equal to 4. Okay, if I input -1, it should equal -8. So -2a plus b is equal to -8. Okay, I do have a system. I have 2 unknowns. I have 2 equations. I can find out what A and B are right now. Okay, through elimination, the A's cancel. I have 2b is equal to -4. If I divide both sides by 2, I have b equals -2. Okay, I have one of the unknowns. So let's go back up to, let's say right there, and substitute -2 in. So I would have 2a minus 2 equals 4. Add 2 and I have 2a equals 6, a equals 3. Alright, so now the last clue. It passes through the point 2 comma 15. That is algebra, where we just substitute the y in, and we substitute the x in, and we substitute the b in, and we substitute the a in, and the only thing left is c. So let's do that. 15 goes in for y, equals 3 times 2 squared plus a -2 times 2, and then plus c. So that's substituted in for x, that's substituted in for y, for b, for a, into this general quadratic equation. The only thing I have left is c. Okay, 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. -4 equals 15. 12 minus 4 is 8. Subtract 8 and I get 7. Okay, so now I have the unknowns, so I can write the quadratic. Y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 7 is the quadratic that has a slope of 4 at 1, has a slope of -8 at -1, and does pass through the point 2 comma 15.